Okay, students, I'm going to show you how you can go in and view your missed questions before you have a second attempt at the test. I did finally get all the first attempts graded. I'm sorry for any confusion and the inconvenience for this evening of you not getting your test grade right away. Of course, if we were in a regular classroom, you wouldn't have gotten your test grades back this evening either. However, you also would not have received an incorrect test grade. So I've gone back in. You all did pretty well. So what you'll do is go under assessments and quizzes. And after you do that, you'll see the two quizzes that are still available. And if you'll click this little drop down arrow, you'll see submissions there. When you do, it will let you go in and see the attempts, and it'll show you it should show your missed questions. The missed questions and answers is all, so you can go over what you missed if you need to before you were to take another attempt, or so you'll know what you did miss. Now, then you'll click Launch Lockdown Browser because you have to click that to go into the test. However, when I do that here, it's not going to let me in, but that's how you find out where to go. Because I have this recorder running, it's not going to allow me to do that. So that is how you can access your test and your test questions.